One of the key significance, or I would say advantage or benefit of index number is it is useful to present the financial data in real terms. Yes, the one of the critical use of index number is to present the financial data in real terms or in at a realistic level. I'll explain this in a greater detail. Understand with index number what we understand? Yes, we understand what are the changes occurring at income level, wages level, or prices level. Let's say there is exorbitant increase in the prices of commodities, but the wages has not increased in that speed. Now, index number guides us that there is a huge inflation in the price of goods, while the wages have not increased accordingly. One of the globally accepted economical, statistical, mathematical tool called as deflating is used to handle such kind of real-time data. So, what do you mean by deflating? Deflating means bringing the data or representing or the data in real terms and making allowances for the prices or wages accordingly. I'll explain this in a further detail. Let's say the prices of goods and commodity has increased according to index number by 40%, but the wages have only increased by 10%. So there is still inflationary pressures in the market of 30%. This price gap has been handled with the help of method called as deflating, right? How? Let's say by providing different types of allowances which will match this price gap. Like dearness allowance, travel allowance, all these allowances are given in order to handle those price differences. So what does index number helps us? Index number helps us understand this financial data at a real time. So statistical tools like deflating, which is like bringing the data or representing the data in real terms and making arrangement for allowances to handle the inflationary pressures of prices and wages. Deflating in basic term is to reduce the air or bubble in the or gas in the balloon. So, because index number tells us that there is an increase in the price at a substantial level, but the wages have not increased at the same speed. So, with the method of index number, using the method of deflating, that the inflationary pressure, the pressure of price increase is high, to reduce that pressure, allowances are used to match the real-time financial data. Hence, in nutshell summary, well, index number is useful to present real-time financial data. One of the statistical, mathematical, economical tools used is deflating. Deflating is basically means representing the financial data in real terms and making arrangement for allowances to handle and making arrangement of allowances to handle those inflationary pressures of prices and wages and bring those prices to real terms. So, in simple word, index number helps us changes in price level and changes in wages level. If there is a changes, then this gap can be handled easily with the concept called as deflating, where different types of allowances are offered to manage or to bridge this gap and to ensure the working is smooth.